The original Koi Herbal Capsule.
O si Evelyn Paraguso, nagidad kong 55 na ako sa Loriga. Sa wala pa ko nakainom sa Koi Herbal Capsule. Kanang kapoy akong lawas, nagkalihok, laay kay iliw, labi ng manlaba. Ana, mandagan kayong sakit-sakit ba, kahumanya. Moto nakadunggo ko sa radyo. Niinom ko, disuway ko, ana niya. Moto mga abtan, mga simana kapin. Siklagsik na akong paminaw ba, didagang salamat sa original Koi Herbal Capsule.
The original Koi Herbal Capsule.
This news is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alphabeta gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Hello, I'm Cheryl Cosim, news anchor and TV host. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be Extraordinary with MX3.
Mamma mia, here I go again.
Cebu, get ready. Celebrate 50 years of Dancing Queen with the world's #1 ABBA show. It's a sing-along, dance-along extravaganza, packed with all the hits and all the fun. Friday, August 7th at Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino. Tickets available now at SM Ticket Outlets and online. You will have the time of your life. Presented by Concert for Public.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.